What up, you guys? It's your girl Daisy Flower Girl. Welcome to Squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So today I have Miss Bella. She wanted to come on and say hello. Say hello, Bella. Say hello to camera. Say hello. So she just wanted to say hi. And I'm going to let her go about her business. And today I have a huge challenge. And I've been waiting to do this one, you guys. It's the no burping challenge. So I'm going to try to drink this without burping. I'm going to try to get past up under the label. I'm going to try. So, hopefully I make it through. And this will be a good one that a lot of people have been requesting. So please comment below if there's anything that you want to ask me, you have any challenges that you would like me to do, any food reviews, anything. You guys know I'm down for it. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll know each and every time I do come on. We'd love for you to be part of the family. So let's get it, you guys. As you can see, my voice is still trying to come back or whatever. It's still kind of a little hoarse, but I'm working on it definitely. So, okay, you guys. I'm a little nervous here, but I can do it. Okay. This is loud. You see? Oh my God. Okay, you guys, you ready? On your set, get ready, go. This bottle is heavy. Go down, go down, go down. Ugh. Ugh. Don't burp. Ugh. Okay, you guys. I'm almost to the label. I couldn't hold it. Hold on. Still gonna go though. Woo. I think I'm getting a cramp. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, JL, you got this one. Ooh. I'm almost to the line. Almost. Do I need a thumbnail? I wanted to get this off. Ooh. I wanted to get this off so you guys can see that I am not playing. I am not playing. That I can really get down to the get down. This is nothing but real footage of me. So I'm gonna give it to y'all. I'm gonna take this off so y'all can actually see that I am not playing. So I am almost halfway there. I want to try to get to right here. That's almost most of the ginger ale. Almost there, you guys. About right there. So, there you have it. And the reason why I said I wanted to get down to the line is because I was taken on for a challenge that I couldn't get to the line. I guess because I'm a female. That's what I was told. But, hey, I got to the line. Boom. There you have it. And if you have any comments, anything you would like to ask me, or you have any challenges you want me to do, any food reviews, any recipes, let me know. I would love to take on anything that you like for me to do. Also, my Instagram, follow me. It will be down below. Hit the notification bell so y'all know each and every time I do come on. Also, subscribe, share this video. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you, each and every one of you, my old subbies, new subbies. I'm almost to 500. I'm halfway there. And I love you guys. Please stay positive and have a great night. I love you guys. Mwah.